Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix unable to install update and error occur while installing iOS 17. When you try to install iOS 17 and it's showing the error like this, and I'll show you how can you fix this type of error. First of all guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to close this page. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to open the settings. Now from here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to scroll it on and make sure that you're properly connected with internet. So from here guys, if you're using mobile data, turn to Wi-Fi or vice versa. Then you have to scroll it on and just simply have to tap on general. From here guys, you have to go to iPhone storage and make sure that you have enough storage in your iPhone. Then close this page. Now open the settings again, scroll it down, then tap on general, scroll it down all the way, tap on transfer reset, tap on. From here you have to reset the network setting and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then what you need to do just simply have to open the setting. Now from here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to scroll it on, then tap on general. From here guys, you have to make sure that your date and time is correct. Then go to VPN and device management and make sure that you're not connected to the VPN. And if you have any downloaded profile, you can see here, just simply have to delete that profile. Once you have deleted guys, after that what you need to do is just simply you have to close this page and you have to open any browser in your phone and just simply you have to search for betaprofile.tab. So just simply you have to search for this. Now from here guys, you can easily see here new iOS update WWDC 23. Just simply you have to tap on that, and from here guys, just simply you have to download or install that profile. So once you have done this guys, just simply have to close this page. Now open the settings. Now from here guys, just simply have to tap on general and you can easily download or install. Let me show you here guys if it's working or not. As you can see guys, so that's pretty much for today's video. If this is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.